Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Wednesday, May 30th, 2018. I still have a little bit of this cold thing going on, but I'll try to make the best of this. So here's what's going on right now. Actually, there are several things going on right now that I want to talk about. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up about 150 points. Okay. What's driving this? Several things. Despite a sell-off right now, and if you were to go to my website, traderschoice.net, you can see the bond market is bleeding off. Despite this sell-off here in the bond market, stocks are higher because, well, several reasons, but here's a big one for you. The dollar. The dollar is getting slammed right now. Look, you, me, and I think anyone out here with a couple of functioning brain cells understands that they will not allow the dollar to get stronger. I covered this yesterday as well. I said unless the Fed loses control, which they're going to get it wrong, we all know that, they're determined to kill the dollar. There's no doubt about it. And the weaker dollar, and it's substantially weaker right now today, is stock market positive now. Bonds are selling off, yes. However, the 10-year yield remains substantially below that line in the sand that I hate to talk about, that I believe is there. And again, that line in the sand is going to move around depending on what the dollar does in relationship to the 10-year yield. I've covered this before. It's like a compensatory mechanism to a certain degree. I believe at this particular time, regardless of what's going on here in Europe, the U.S. stock market trajectory remains higher for all the reasons I've been covering. They will continue to suppress rates from here into oblivion. The Fed is going to continue to buy bonds, and they're going to do that with dollars added to a digital screen or printed out of thin air, more than likely added to a digital screen. Eventually this will hurt the dollar. They will squash it, take away your purchasing power. Now, interestingly enough, and it's such a joke, despite the dollar getting hammered right now, gold and silver are barely moving now. Think about this. Gold and silver are priced in dollars. So if the dollar were to plunge like it's doing right now, you would imagine that gold and silver would make substantial gains, right? Oh, no. Not in this world. It's really simply just so disgusting. It really is the truth. No one wants to look at it. Again, no regulator wants to look at it. I've tried myself. I've written to everybody about it, and I mean everybody, repeatedly. I get no answers. They don't want to talk about that. That's a whole other thing. So that's what's going on here in the market right now. Market probably got ahead of itself yesterday, falling 400 points. We might get a rebound today. I don't know. Stocks are higher right now because of what I went over already. The 10-year yield is in a safe zone. That little safe space zone. The dollar is getting hit here. So we'll have to watch these things. Now, what I would like you to do is take a few minutes of your day. Seriously, it'll be worth it for you. Check out the new interview that I just did with Greg Hunter, USA Watchdog, your friend and mine. There is a link in the description of this video, which will take you to that interview. You do not want to miss this. And let me know what you think of it. Was it good? Did it suck? I would love to hear from you on this one. I will read the comments, I promise, and I will see you at the end of the day. Bye.